Welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix something went wrong password on Snapchat account. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, switch account, tap on this, and from here enter your password. Tap on this and tap on login. You guys can say incorrect password. Tap on forget my password. Tap on this. From here tap on view phone. From here enter your phone number, and after that tap on submit. And wait a few seconds. You guys can see, tap on submit and enter your new password, and tap on confirm new password and tap on submit. Go back and enter your new password and tap on login. You guys can see, if the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.